Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing well and staying safe. So in this video, I decided to purchase a new hallway console table. The other one that I had was more glam and decorative, but with this one, it's gonna be functional because with my kids being home, they've been leaving their shoes and stuff in the hallway, and it's been like, it's been really irritating me. So I decided to order a console table that's also functional. It has shelves and also a door closing feature to hide the shoes. So I'm going to assemble it in this video, and also I'm gonna decorate it too. Eventually I will, because with fall coming up, I think I'm gonna do a little fall look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you're inspired. So let's start putting it together. So if you guys notice, I already placed the legs on the bottom piece, which is basically the bottom half of the table. So now I'm gonna put together the side panels.
You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home.
If you guys notice, I was struggling a little bit right here. I was trying to figure out where exactly I'm supposed to screw in. Those are actually the hinges for the door. So I was a little bit confused, but I figured it out eventually.
You bend it down and you poke it up and you elevate it, I came over, I ain't sober, I'm still drunk, that's hangover. Might run it back when this page over. You the best thing I done slaved over. Gon' arch your back and been way over. It's overdue for that understressing. Over him, now you underdressing. Call me up and I come finessing. Like, ooh, we shot it, what it do, what it don't. Baby, you a queen, you can move how you want. You was rocking with me when I couldn't stay afloat. They ain't never saying nothing wavy to a boat.
Okay, so now the hard part is over. I placed the side panels on, so now basically all I have to do is reinforce the bottom. It comes with 4 screws, so now I'm going to screw in those 4 screws on the bottom of these panels to secure them to the side. Oh my god, I don't know why I'm getting so tongue twisted.
It's hard to be apart from you, cause ooh, I
love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home.
I'm tanked up and I'm danked up and I'm faded. You bend it down and you poke it up and you elevate it. I'm tanked up and I'm danked up and I'm faded. You bend it down and you poke it up and you elevate it. You elevate it. You.
This is the top part of the shelf, so I have to manually screw in the screws, and then I'm gonna use my electric screwdriver.
Someone told me this ain't love. There's no way you get into my heart. Someone told me gotta move on. Keep it together before you fall apart. And there's no reason to be numb, but I can't even fall asleep until the dawn.
Okay, so now that I have the sides and the top part on, now I have to put the back side of the panel onto this table. It came with screws. Usually, you know, these furniture, they come with nails, but for some reason they decide to give screws. So now I have to struggle to screw all these little tiny screws in each side, but I'm not going to use all of them because I don't have the time. It would have been better if it had little tiny nails, but you know, I'm going to make it do what it do.
Someone I'll never stop, and there's no reason to be numb.
So guys, guess what? I thought there was a part missing, which is the hinge for the door jamb. So I was like this close to start this in Wayfair, because I was like, how the heck they're gonna send me these parts and I'm missing one. But when I look, I screw that part onto one of the boards. So I was like, oh my god. So let's jump back in. Okay, so now that the hinges are installed, now I'm going to screw on the door handles. I realized that the actual doors are off a little bit. I think that's a manufacturing defect. I'm gonna see if I could actually adjust the hinges, since it's one of those, I forgot what you call it, they snap in and out, and you're able to adjust how far it goes in and how far it comes out. So maybe that would help, but for some reason the doors aren't even, and when you do close them, you can't close them at the same time, because if you close one over the other, it's just gonna overlap, so you kind of have to push them together at the same time, which is weird, but it looks good. I know that much. So I'm almost at the finish line. So here I'm putting the shelves together. I have to screw in those screws and kind of pop them in and then tighten that edge. So it's only 2 shelves, so it's going to be really quick, and then I'm going to pop them in the table, and then we're done and we could see the end results. I'm sure you guys already seen it already, but you know, we'll see the big reveal. So here's the big reveal. It's all done. It looks great. A little bit of technical difficulties and some little defects in it, but I think overall it's a cute table. If you're willing to overlook it, I think it's a plus. It's functional and it's gonna serve its purpose in my hallway. So overall, you know, I can't, you know, everything can be 100%. But I'm in love with it. I'm willing to overlook it. I still like it. I would recommend it, but I will tell you guys that, you know, the actual doors, they're not aligned. There's a little bit of alignment issue, but overall it's a great piece. It's not like you're gonna be living in, you know, in the table. It's not like you're gonna be in and out of it all the time. So I think it's something, if you're willing to overlook, it's still a great piece to have. And I love the detail here in on the doors. It's very modern meets mid-century. I love it. I love the gray texture and color of it. So overall, I'm happy. So the table will serve its purpose, which is to store all the shoes in the hallway. So I'm happy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, you're inspired, and I'll see you on the next one.